If you drink banana milkshake every day, what happens to your body? First, you'll get sick less because bananas are rich in vitamins, minerals, and potassium, nutrients that boost your immune system and protect you from infection and disease. Second, your digestive system will be better because the dietary fiber in bananas helps regulate a bowel movement, prevent constipation, and make digestion smoother. But that's not all. You'll have more energy because bananas are one of the best natural sources of carbohydrates for a quick energy boost. You can eat some in the morning for breakfast or before exercise. It also regulates your blood pressure as the potassium in bananas helps to maintain healthy blood pressure, balance the effects of sodium on the body, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular problems such as high blood pressure and heart disease. Share with someone who need it and drop a yes, I will try it. Now tell me from which country do you watching this video, leave in the comment and follow us. Thank you.